Hey guys, I told you guys pack opening only 4 packs, so because I'm poor. And my team. So yeah, let's go. Okay. First I'm gonna do the worst one. League Standard pack. I got a Torrance Prince. And then second worst one. This one. Heat check. Jonas Valanciunas. Gold. Multi-dimensional pack. I got a green, Trae Young. And let's go to rewards. And we're also going to open up a lights pack. Let's see what we can get. We got a blue Nick Young. Does that mean we're going to get a ruby in this pack? Guys, we're looking for a Galaxy Opal. We got an Amethyst, boys. Amethyst blue on the Jazz. Power forward. This is Carlos Boozer. I don't know who that is. Yeah, that's our pack opening. It was terrible, I know it. But see you guys next video.